Can't read more. Oh man, does it get better than this? You can actually get a beer at a Wimpy. What an awesome find.
Highly recommend.
So we're going to start here at the southernmost point, well, the one end, as Ricky calls it. Food lovers, game liquor, and game. But we're going to come back to that because this is where we're going to do our shopping, but there's still a kilometer of shops to see. So let's go check out some of them. It looks like there's lots of houseware stuff here at the beginning. Wow. The shops are huge here. And you can't see through, but it is massive. It's like a warehouse. Oh wow. From here all the way to the other end there, this is a discount. Massive discount.
Like a pharmacy.
Wow. Yeah, it's pharmacy. Massive.
Sure.
Yeah, we actually are walking outside, so it's more like a strip mall, but up ahead, it's suddenly you go inside and it becomes not a strip mall, the opposite of a strip mall, an internal mall. Yeah, so now we're going to go in. Incredible connection. Oh, loads of shops. So now this is the internal shops. I suppose smaller than the discounts and games and things. Nothing to see here. Moving on, moving on. Oh, boots, eh? Woolworths. It's got a Woolworths feed and it's Woolworths clothes. But there are so many shops. We've been walking for ages and you just keep seeing more and more shops. Oh, this is out of the blue. I think Ricky got something from one of them ones. Mm-hmm. But they don't have the couch that you can sit on for angry husbands. that was a cool feature. Nice.
Rain, natural skincare. Beautiful looking shop. Yeah, so you kind of got cosmetics in a group and clothing and sportswear and some jewelry. I'm sure there's loads of food somewhere.
Yeah, where's the food, man? That says refinery. Isn't that like a brewery? Refinery.
No, normally where they make like petrol or something.
Oh, a refinery, yeah. That's it. Don't do that, the sport authority. Rick, look to your left. Expedition North. We can go do some hiking. I know you love doing hiking.
Especially in the cold.
Wow, we're hiking through this place though. It has been about 3 days since we started this hike. And still no food, Rick. Maybe it's up ahead. Ah, we have evidence. It says oh, you can't actually read that. It says restaurants. Apparently you can putt for $1 million in cash. Awesome. I'm not going to do it because I'm completely useless at it. And that's what, 100 a ball?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you.
A genuine sneaker factory where they've got all the awesome sneakers. I wonder if we can go have a look.
Oh yeah. Classic sneakers. All the boxes and everything so you can get all your sizes. Yeah, and the prices are in rands. Oh wow, it just continues. So many shoes. Wow. 3 for $2. Oh, what's cool is that I didn't actually get it, but you can buy any 3 items in the store and the cheapest one is free. So anything, so you can get shoes for Ricky, shoes for me, and some t-shirts. Prince of Tart. Fit right in, Rick.
I've actually seen them on Facebook.
Okay, wow.
They make beautiful.
They do look good. Ooh. Milk tart, and I do like the savory looking ones as well.
Quiche. Awesome.
This is the information zone, so you can come here and they'll tell you exactly where everything is. Oh, look at that. We're hitting food now. First up, Simply Asia, for the love of noodles. Great taste of Thailand.
Toilets all the way around.
Yeah, we did see a lot of toilets. And a couple of giraffes. That one's for the Google Analytics AI. They're actually really giraffes, yeah. Mug and bean over there. So we're hitting food. We're getting more into the foodies vibe. Oh, and there's a spur as well. So we got our giraffe, right? And I've got a feeling like this is the same people who made Bagatelle because they've got the same sculpture. Just the girl is missing her umbrella.
Yeah.
Timberwolf spur. I didn't actually notice because I was too busy looking at these two, but there's another sculpture here on the lawn. Well, it's not really lawn, but it's cool with the trees. He's got a catty. Oh, this is a nice looking Panarottis. They've got a kids section upstairs. Ah, it looks massive. I'm just going to swing around here. There's the ocean basket up there. Not up there, across there. Home of seafood. And I can see that the other food's further away. So it's not all. There's a KFC and the Wimpy further down that way.
There's loads of parking and beautiful, beautiful mountains that you can see all around the mall. It's actually really stunning. Garden Route Mall, welcome to the Garden Route. Old man having a rest.
Oh, we're back on the outside. Somehow you have to get back on the inside. I'm not sure how. But anyway, this is where the KFC is. And you can skip the queue. I can just come out of town when it's not busy. Oh, okay. It's a red brick, like a chimney. So the British were here, sort of bagatelle feel about it. With the mountains, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bagatelle. No, I'm kidding. Of course, it's the Garden Route Mall.
People are so sweet.
Wimpy. And Ennisberg Biltong. I was just caught by the pictures. Wow.
Wow.
Look what's in their window. Oh man, those are slabs of meat.
Wow, that actually looks like really good biltong.
It really does. Did you just take the whole cabinet home? Oh, the biltong Big Five. Ostrich, kudu, springbuck.
Springbuck dry was.
Chicken. Chicken?
Yeah.
Oh man, how awesome does that look? Oh. Okay, Ricky spotted the special on smoked dry horse. She just wants to get a piece to try it. Oh, you're just trying.
Oh, yeah.
But you can try that now. There you go. You know what it's like. Oh, I get a piece as well. Is it smoky? Oh, wow. What an awesome find.
Highly recommend.
Definitely. Smoked. Thank you. So this is the bit we missed. There's some shops down there. There's like an Edgar's and an Ackerman's and a Cell C, and this is a Clicks here. I'm just going to spin you around, a little bit of a vet place. And it ends with a Pick and Pay. It must be a big Pick and Pay to end because it's still got so much more outside. Forgot my yellow summer. MTN yellow summer in the King Park. Just one place of note, the Old Hat Barbershop, because they have an awesome Triumph and a bowler hat. Cool.
Pretty cool bathrooms. I suppose when you're the CEO, you can park your car inside the shop.
Nice one, Rick. We got our spot out here, and it's cool because we sort of outside inside, which is nice. Yeah, guys, we're still at Wimpy, but look what arrived. Black Label. You can actually get a beer at a Wimpy. This is like one of the greatest discoveries of all time.
Bring your kids.
Oh man, does it get better than this? Ice cold glass as well. Man. And it's 35 Rand for the Black Label here.
So quite a bit more than in the supermarket, but hey, you're at a Wimpy.
You're at the Wimpy. I've never had a Wimpy burger and a beer.
Never.
First day. Oh, it's pretty cool. You've got a family thing where you get 4 burgers and chips, and for 120 you can add a mojito jug.
Seriously.
I love alcoholic Wimpys.
They do some great burgers. And this one's kind of new, this full breakfast.
I do like that because it's not Vienna's, it's cheese grillers.
Cheese grillers.
I love cheese grillers. They make the best cheese grillers.
Nice. And they got it even now a chutney rib burger. Huh. Cheeseburger combo.
Yolk break moment. Oh. Wait.
Poke it.
Poke it. Oh, look at that. You know what you have to do when it's broken?
Uh-huh.
No choice.
straight in.
Bacon and cheese, but I wanted to see the bottom, Rick. Oh man, Wimpy relish is a thing. It really is.
And there's onions.
Oh yeah, it's actually quite a big patty as well. Oh yeah.